Welcome to the Digital Marketing Master course, a comprehensive self-paced course prepared to make you dive deeper into digital marketing both practically and tactically. Now you might be thinking, who should take this course? Well, it is for students wishing to get job ready, professionals looking for a career change or advancement, business owners looking to leverage the power of the internet. Sounds good? But what will you get as a part of this course? You will get more than 70 hours of exciting video content, digital marketing toolkit worth over $1,100, 10 plus certifications including Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. You will also be made to do an in-depth study of over 50 case studies, and also hands-on assignments of more than 140 hours which will keep you ever involved. Even if you are concerned about your time constraints, you don't have to worry, as we are providing 1 year access to the latest uploaded content including 24/7 support through our discussion forum. Well, it sounds great, isn't it? But we can assure that you are curious to know about the disciplines that you will learn. The main advantage of this course is that it is designed by industry experts who possess more than a decade of experience in digital marketing training and in working on real business campaigns. We will ensure that you will become a full-stack digital marketer to hit the floor running. As a part of this course, you will dive into the deep oceans of digital marketing core concepts, including search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing, Facebook marketing, email marketing, inbound marketing, and web analytics. But that's not all. We are keen to augment your learning with other specialization modules including affiliate marketing, growth hacking, strategizing digital marketing campaigns, mobile marketing, ORM, online reputation management, programmatic marketing, Adobe Analytics, Site Catalyst. But the scope of this course doesn't end up here, as we will also help you in learning about ways to become a freelance digital marketer, learn to create an infographic resume, and we will also teach you the distinct strategies employed in gaining hands-on experience in e-commerce listing, website setup, and marketplace selling. Let us now discuss the methodology of this course. The course is self-paced training with entertaining video content, mind-blogging quizzes, practical hands-on assignments, which inculcates intuitive learning with our expert trainers and your fellow participants. You don't even need to be in the comfort of your home to learn. You can access the course anywhere in the world with the help of your mobile phone and an internet connection. And finally, to give you the extra edge, you will be given live access to interactive industry insight sessions with leading digital marketers. If you are still skeptical about it, then we would like to mention that it's not the time to wait, it's time to enroll.